Hello everyone, let's learn today how to make very busy spider from cardboard. First take any cardboard of your choice and cut it in this shape. After that, apply all over glue on it. And take some cotton and cover it everywhere. Take the kitchen roll and cut it into pieces. Apply some glue and cover all the cotton with that tissue paper. To make paper mache glue, use equal amount of glue and water and mix it together. Apply some glue all over on the tissue. When glue is dry, I used this acrylic paint matte finish all over on the tissue paper for give it matte look. It will take time to dry, so let it dry completely because we have to do paint after this. Now it's dry completely, so we can start paint. I chose red and green color for a spider. You can take any color of your choices. I did same color on the spider as it was on the book cover of Very Busy Spider. Now we will make spider's hand, so cut the cardboard in this shape and color it whatever you want and let it dry for some time. After drying first layer of color, you can design your spider hands as you want. Now turn the cardboard back side and cover it with tissue paper as we did it before. Don't forget to apply glue nicely. Now let it dry completely because it will take time to dry. Now take one hand of a spider and cut it just little bit in the middle of this and give little small curve on this spider hand. After that, to join that curve, use tape. After that, stick all 8 hands on the back side of spider and make sure stick them properly so that they don't come out. Now take any velcro belt and stitch it with needle because it will fix tightly. After drying it completely, now our very busy spider is ready to wear. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then please subscribe and like.